Alright, we already have volunteers, everyone. Be careful and watch your steps. Please remove lang your hat first, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Alright, so hi baby. Hi, are you ready? So just relax, don't make extra movements, okay? Alright, so everyone, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy second year named Bunny. So second years are medium-sized birds with golden plumage from its head down to its underparts and big wings. So despite his size, Bunny has a big heart. He loves to share his food with his friends. And after he finishes his food, he will go back inside and call his friends. Alright, take your time, buddy. Okay. You're enjoying your food, buddy? Alright, it's almost done. Okay, nice job, buddy. Alright, thank you, baby. You can now take your seat. Thank you. Okay, how about the adult volunteer? Ma'am, are you ready? Hold it with your two hands.